Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about how to make money by selling digital products professionally and smartly. And first of all, what does it mean by a digital product? Digital product is a product that you can get or you can download from internet through an active clickable link without any transportation, shipping or something like that. So we can consider an audio file, an image, a movie, a Photoshop preset, an overlay or a template from Canva as digital products. And for today's topic, I'd like to talk about an amazing digital product that is a t-shirt design or generally print-on-demand design. Thus, whether you are working on print-on-demand business or not, this video for you to open your eyes to a decent and extra stream to make money through. And head up, in this video I'd like to guide you even if you have a zero experience at designing. And for sure I have talked about in some videos how to create beautiful and attractive designs through using some simple websites, some simple tools like Canva, Vista Create or phone applications, and you will find this big playlist below in the first comment. And for today's topic, I'd like to show you a spectacular website that will make your life easier to sell your digital product. That is Placeit.net. Placeit.net. For sure, Placeit is the largest and the best marketplace where you can get professional mockups to promote your designs on social media. Mockups for every single item, from home decor, apparel, digital products, packaging, and so on and so forth. And for sure, here you can get a beautiful design to your print-on-demand business without lifting a finger. So here you can get this category, designs, and here you can get a lot of beautiful designs for any niche, for any topic, like Christmas, Halloween, fitness, cats, dogs, and so on and so forth. And let me show you an amazing thing here on Placeit. So we can go all the way to the bottom to this part, license. And there in this license of Placeit, this one, you are free to create content for client and sell for a fee. So you have the whole license, the whole commercial license to make your designs or your mockup or something like that to sell as a digital product and get some money for it. As you see, you are free to create content for a client and sell for a fee. So we can use this amazing platform to create our digital products, our designs, our print-on-demand designs. And to do that, simply and quickly, just you can go to this one, designs, okay, this section. So you'll find a lot of categories like apparel and print, okay, some gaming niche, okay, music and podcasts, social media, and so on. So we can search here. If we want to make some designs, some t-shirt designs about Christmas or Halloween, for example, all you have to do is you can type here Halloween t-shirt designs. As you see in these suggestions, Halloween t-shirt design, click over that, and here you will find a big collection of t-shirt designs that you can edit them to make your attractive designs that you want to sell as a digital product. As you see, perfect, a lot of these beautiful designs about Halloween. And as before, you can make your designs about any niche, any field. So we can take one of these beautiful designs, for example. So how to do that? Simply we can use this one, okay, don't be a scaredy cat. Click over it. And these t-shirt designs are customizable or editable, so you can customize them, you can edit them to create your attractive t-shirt design. And therefore you have the option to upload them on your print-on-demand platform, Redbubble, Teespring, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Merch by Amazon, and so on, or you can sell them as a digital product. So here how to edit this amazing t-shirt design. As you see here, you will find every single element here on your design editable, like this one. So we can remove this words and replace it with some words, okay. some quotes, some sayings, and something like that. As you see, the same for this word. You can add tickets, more words, more sentences, add some graphics from external websites. And for sure I have talked about how to get graphics and how to get free vectors for free with commercial license. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And on top of that, on Placeit.net you can find a lot and a bunch of graphics and vectors that you can use also in your design. So we can replace this tongue with another tongue, with another form, another vector, as you see. Or you can replace one from this one, no image, or you can upload yours, as you see. So you can replace these eyes by these ones. And when you are done making your design here for Halloween, here if you have a zero experience at designing, without any background in making design, creating your designs, just you can depend on this amazing platform Placeit.net to create your beautiful designs. So now the step to remove this background, here you can go to this one, background. Okay, and just we can check this one, transparent background, as you see, and therefore we make our design with a transparent background without any colored background, and therefore you can just download your design. That's simple. Just you can select your niche, your trendy topics, and so on, and here you can make customization, edit your designs, and create newer ones. Okay, as you see, just you can click here to download. And here we make the first t-shirt design, our first digital product. And of course you have to watch this big list to know how to create beautiful designs using other tools. And of course, to sell your digital products regarding t-shirt designs, so you have to provide a lot of formats like SVG, PNG, JPG, and so on. So we can convert this PNG into SVG format. How to do that? Simply, just you can go to some websites that convert PNG to SVG, like this one, convertio.co. Here you can convert your PNG design into SVG format. Okay, perfect. And now how to sell your t-shirt design as a digital product. Firstly, you can sell them as digital products as a freelancer on some platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Legit, TopTal, and so on. So for example, we can visit fiverr.com, and just here you can search for something like designs or t-shirt designs. Okay, and here you can sell your digital products in any niche, in any topic, as you see, and all those designers are doing well here on fiverr.com. Okay, as you see, so you can make your designs from Placeit.net. So the first way to sell your digital product, your t-shirt designs, is as a freelancer on Fiverr, Legit, People Per Hour, and so on. Okay, so and the second way is you can go to this amazing website, which is Creative Fabrica to open your store to sell your digital products, to sell your t-shirt designs. And here on Creative Fabrica, just you can create from passion to profit. Here you earn up to 75% on each sale. Earn recurrent revenue, your work, your prices. So you can set your prices of your digital products. Okay, so firstly you can create here your store. Okay, and here in the steps of applying for creating your store here on Creative Fabrica, you are required to show your portfolio or samples from your designs. So I'd recommend you to show your designs as digital product, or to make your portfolio on this amazing website, which is so called Dribble.com. Here you can create your account for free and show your designs as a portfolio to be hired by someone else. Okay, like these designers, they show their artworks to be hired from customers and clients. Okay, so the second way to sell your digital product, your t-shirt designs, is by using Creative Fabrica to open your store. The third way is you can open stores from an individual websites. like this amazing one, which is so called lemonsqueezy.com. lemonsqueezy.com. Here you can create your own store to sell your digital product, whatever they are. Or this amazing website that I recommend you, actually this one, coffee.com. coffee.com. Make money doing what you love. Here you can sell your digital product for free. As you see in Coffee, no listing fees, no site to set up, just share a link and start making sales. So here you can open your store and sell your digital product through social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on by using this amazing platform, coffee.com. So here you can create your store just in few seconds and sell your t-shirt designs that you have made from Placeit or some other tools like Canva, Create, or some phone applications, and sell them in your store and earn money professionally and effectively. And to know how to create your store here on coffee.com, I have talked about that in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. So in this video, you have known if you are working on a print-on-demand business or not. Just you can create an extra income stream by selling digital products that are represented in T-shirt designs for print-on-demand designers. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.